In this brief segment, we're just going to quickly go through how to add or modify rate cards for CPT codes. So from the main dashboard, we're going to click on Configuration. We're going to go down to Encounter. We're going to go to CPT ICD Setup, and then from there we're going to select CPT. This is going to bring up our CPT master, where you can see here we have a search criteria. You can either search for the CPT by the actual code number itself, or you can key in a description and the system will actually search for you. So for example, we're just going to go through and do a quick search for a office code. You see, once you type the first three numbers in, you'll get an autocomplete, which will round out the code completion from here. Then from here, if we want to select a code, we just simply select the configuration icon and click on it, and it's going to open up the configuration box, from which here we can go in and we can select different items or modify CPT codes. So you'll notice here we have the code number in that field, we have the description of the code here, we have the unit here, we have the price on this side, we have the expected amount. Down underneath the bottom, we have modifiers that can be keyed in here. We have laboratory code selection box. We have a status that we can mark as active or inactive. In this section, in the insurance category, you'll notice we have three different rate fields. We have commercial, we have Medicare, and we have railroad. So in order to change the pricing or add additional pricing for a code, we simply just change the price that appears up top here, or if we want to change it for a specific insurance category type, we can just simply change it down here. In other words, if I wanted to change the commercial insurance rate to $80, simply change it to 80 and save. So once I've saved that code, I can actually go back and do a search for it again. And you'll notice here that we can pull that up. The commercial rate is now $80 here. If we want to change the price of it, we can actually go up here and select the price change from there and then resave. So once we've completed this, we'll simply close this, and just to verify that it's done, we'll pull a patient chart. We're going to open the patient chart, and as verification we can go to encounters. We'll just select an encounter. Here we're going to go to procedures and treatments. From here we're just going to key in 99214, and from here you'll notice that the price came up as $80 because the patient has commercial insurance. So we'll close this, go back to our dashboard, and that's how you update or modify a CPT code.